In industrial-scale wood manufacturing, a 3D CNC machine is more than just processing equipment. It defines a factory's ability to fulfill orders, maintain delivery speed, and ultimately protect profit margins. In today's video, QUOC introduces the top 5 5-axis CNC machining centers worth investing in for wood factories in 2026. The first benchmark in 3D wood production is the Master TC4 5-axis CNC machining center from CMAC. This model is specifically designed for high-end furniture components, such as chair backs, seats, frames, and complex chair legs. In Vietnam, it has become a key investment trend among export-oriented factories serving demanding markets such as the United States, Europe, and Japan, capable of 360-degree rotation, allowing machining from virtually any angle. By utilizing 4 different tool profiles within a single cycle, the entire product can be completed in one run, minimizing tool change downtime. The machine features 2 independent working zones, each connected to its own 4-kilowatt Eurovac vacuum pump to ensure strong and stable workpiece fixation. This dual table design enables simultaneous machining of 2 different products without stopping the machine. Additionally, the 2 working zones can be combined to maximize table space when processing larger components, such as tabletops or interior panels. Overall, this is a highly versatile configuration with minimal size limitations, suitable for a wide range of 3D applications. The next configuration is an upgraded 5-axis machining center integrated with an automatic tool changer system. Built upon the Master TC4 platform, it is significantly enhanced in handling complex geometries and multi-profile machining requirements. The machine is equipped with 3 tool heads, including 1 heavy-duty 12-kilowatt spindle, allowing flexible switching among up to 8 different tools within a single machining cycle. This solution provides manufacturers with a high level of operational autonomy in expanding product portfolios, maintaining production schedules, and confidently accepting technically demanding orders. Complex geometries and high-precision finishing requirements often deliver stronger margins, making this configuration particularly valuable for FDI enterprises targeting premium export segments. The next configuration introduces a 5-axis machining center with dual independent heads arranged front and rear. This setup is designed for manufacturers seeking higher output without compromising stability. Both heads can operate simultaneously, machining 2 identical parts to effectively double productivity, or 2 different parts to optimize production scheduling. By fully utilizing the machine's travel range, idle time between cycles is reduced, increasing overall machine utilization per shift. This configuration is especially suitable for batch production environments that require continuous operation and high process stability. It also helps eliminate bottlenecks at the 3D machining stage, a common constraint in export furniture factories. The final 2 configurations focus entirely on high-output manufacturing: the 5-axis dual independent head system and the 5-axis 4 independent head system. With the dual-head independent configuration, 2 machining units operate simultaneously under the same control system, enabling parallel processing of identical or different 3D components. This significantly increases real production capacity while maintaining precision and consistency across all parts. It is particularly effective for large batch production, where stable throughput and minimized cycle interruption are critical. The 4-head independent configuration represents a true industrial-scale production solution. 4 machining heads operate simultaneously within a synchronized control system, allowing high-volume processing of complex 3D components with consistent quality and long shift stability. This configuration dramatically reduces lead times for large orders, alleviates backlog pressure at the 3D stage, and strengthens the factory's ability to commit to delivery schedules for international OEM and ODM contracts. These 5 configurations differ not only in the number of machining heads, but in the production strategies they represent. Selecting the right configuration is not simply an equipment purchase, it is a strategic decision that directly impacts manufacturing capability, the ability to secure high-value orders, and the factory's competitive position within the global supply chain. With extensive experience supporting major FDI and export-oriented manufacturers, QUOC is ready to partner with your organization to elevate production capacity. If your company has planned comprehensive consultation and a tailored 5-axis CNC solution aligned with your long-term growth strategy.